Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Instagram story. So actually it's super simple. Alright, for example, you are just going to click on your story. Yeah, like you want to make a story. So you can select your images or your videos, or you can take by camera, for example. So to add the music, you are just going to click this icon and then select music and select music available here. For example, just download the music, and after you download, just click to add the music. Alright, you can crop the music, change for the cover music. Already click done, and the music has been added to your story. Just click to your stories or to close friend. That's it. Bye bye.